What's the meaning of breath test? Breath test. Breath test.
Breath test. Breath test. A breath test is a non-invasive diagnostic test that measures the amount of a particular gas in a person's breath. The most common breath test is used to detect alcohol consumption by measuring the amount of ethanol in a person's breath. Another type of breath test is used to detect the presence of Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium that can cause stomach ulcers and cancer. In both cases, the results are typically displayed as a numerical value representing the concentration of the gas being measured. If the result exceeds a certain threshold, it may indicate a problem or require further testing.